Very good morning, students. I am Dr. P. Benjamin Rosario, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, St.Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. Today I am going to explain about the departmental accounting and the objectives of departmental accounting. Departmental accounting refers to maintaining accounts for one or more departments of the company. Revenues and expenses of the departments are recorded and reports are prepared separately. So in an organization, there may be many departments. Like if it is a garments industries, where there will be many departments like dyeing, sales, likewise. So it is necessary for the company to know how much amounts are spent for each department and how much the amount is earned from different departments. So for this purpose, the departmental accounting is maintained. Let me explain about the objectives of departmental accounting. The first objective is to check out an interdepartmental performance. So by maintaining the departmental accounting, the organization will be able to understand how each departments are performing in the day-to-day operations. Then second one is to evaluate the performance of the departments with the previous period results. So by preparing the departmental accounting, the organization is able to understand the results and the performance of the departments regularly, and which enables the organization to compare the results of those departments in the previous years, so which is enabling the organization to understand whether there is an increase in the performance of the departments or is there any decrease in the performance of the different departments. The next one is the gross profit of each department can be ascertained. So by maintaining the departmental accounting, the organization is able to identify or find out how much is the revenue is earned by each department. So by understanding these results, the organization will be able to understand whether they are in the right track in achieving the organizational objectives. So by achieving the objectives of each department, or by earning the revenues as it is expected by the organization by all the departments, which automatically facilitate or leads for the organization to achieve the common objectives, that is earning profit or increase in the performance of the entire organization. And then unprofitable departments will reveal. So by preparing the departmental accounts, if there is any departments which is not performing well, which is incurring losses, those departments can be identified and the necessary actions can be taken by the organization in order to bring out those losses into profitable units. The next objective is the progress of each department can be monitored for appropriate action to take. So as I have explained earlier, by preparing the departmental accounting, the organization is able to understand or will be able to monitor the progress of each department and if there is any departments is not in the right track or not progressing in the proper manner, which will facilitate the organization to take the necessary actions in order to bring those departments in the right track. The next objective is to help the owner in formulating the right policy for the future. So only by understanding the performance of the each departments in the current scenario and by understanding the performance of the departments in the previous records, which will enable the organization to formulate the policies for those departments in a proper manner, which will result in expected aspects in the future days. The next objective is to assist the management in deciding to drop or add a department. So, if the by preparing the departmental accounting, the organization is able to identify the current position or current progress of each department, and the management finds that one department is not performing well even though after taking many effort, so those departments can be dropped out, and if there is any prospects for any new departments to be opened, those departments can be opened, and which will enable the organization to allocate the funds in a fruitful manner. The next one is to provide a detailed information about the entire organization. So, by preparing the departmental accounting, the organization is able to understand better about the performance of all the departments which is performing in the organization, and which enables the organization to understand in detail about all the departments and their contributions for the growth of the organization. And then finally, to assist the management with the cost control. So the departmental accounting helps the organization to understand how much amount is being allocated and spent for all the departments, and this will enable the organization to have cost control in all the departments by identifying amount spent and amount allocated for all the departments. So these are some of the objectives of departmental accounting. I hope that these explanations would have enabled you to understand about what is departmental accounting and what are the objectives of departmental accounting. Thank you all.